in length. The male's tail features 16 feathers that form a stunning lyre shape during its courtship display. Albert's lyrebird. Smaller and less common, this species is found in limited regions of Australia. Its tail is less dramatic but equally captivating in its own way. Lyrebirds are primarily ground-dwelling and prefer running or hopping or flying. Their powerful legs make them excellent diggers, while their brownish-gray plumage provide camouflage in the dense forest undergrowth. Lyrebirds are native to the southeastern Australia's temperate rainforests and mountainous woodlands. These environments